Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to create cooking recipe content and generate income using AI tools. With free AI tools, anyone can get started easily. Tasty became famous for its short and simple cooking videos. By providing easy-to-follow cooking processes using AI tools, they achieved great success on Facebook and YouTube. Maangchi is a YouTube channel that offers Korean cooking recipes. She has gained a large number of subscribers and published cookbooks, achieving great success. Using AI tools not only helps you earn short-term income but also aids in long-term career development. You can grow your blog and YouTube channel and utilize various revenue models such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and product sales. We have summarized how to create cooking recipe content and generate income using free AI tools. It's easy to start, and with consistent effort, you can achieve long-term success. Now, create YouTube videos based on your blog posts. Use free tools like Canva, Capwing, and OpenShot to make your content more powerful. Add subtitles, voiceovers, sound effects, and free images to enrich your videos. Tool Usage Guide. Use ChatGPT and Grammarly for writing, Canva for image creation, and Lumen5, Capwing, and InVideo for video creation. You can also use free sound, Pexels, and Unsplash for free sound effects and images. We've shown you how to use AI tools to easily start a cooking recipe channel and generate income. Start now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates. We wish you great success. Thank you.
Coming soon.